You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. A little more in. Little back. No, a little more in. Right there, perfect. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, and it's time for the Ultimate Science Blast Kit with Butch.
Hey, LPS-Dave. Can you see my whiskers?
I'm just kidding. Move up just a little. Little bit more. Little bit more. Come on. Come on. A little bit more.
Say when.
You can keep going. Perfect. Right there.
Thank you.
The Ultimate Science Blast Kit with Butch. Ages 12 plus from Scientific Explorer.
I was just making sounds for that young boy there.
Okay. All right. Did you see Butch on YouTube?
That was terror.
Did you watch Butch in the last video?
Boo!
That's not the sound he's making.
No.
Mixed mold bounce and blast. Right up our alley.
Love to do all those things.
I can't read the rest of this.
Would you like me to?
Yeah, read what you can.
Mélanger, mouler, rebond, et blast.
Okay. Thank you. Let's see. So we have a plethora of experiments.
So you couldn't read those words, but you can say the word plethora.
Yes. And I'm not sure we can do them all today, Butch. Maybe we could start them. I don't know, because I know you got a busy schedule coming up.
Always.
But we could for sure do some of these, right? Let me read them real quick.
Yes.
Volcano Blast.
Yes, we can do that.
Concoct a lava flow.
I thought that said coconut lava flow.
Ball blast bouncers. Layer, soak, bounce.
Fun. Not well, in that order.
Dazzle dino crystals.
Ooh.
Oh, I see. It's in the shape of a dinosaur. Let's see. Just add crystal liquid.
Cool. Solo añade cristales líquidos.
Thank you. Jelly wiggle bugs. Mix mold jiggle.
Definitely fun.
No comment there.
That's what happens after I eat.
Yes, that's what I was going to say. So how about we get this out of the box and take a look at all the pieces and start an experiment.
Hey, have you got an idea which one you want to do yet?
Butch is asking a question. We'll be right back. Doing your exercises? Your mouth
Oh, I'm
exercises?
just waiting for you, LPS.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Hey, it's Lucky.
No, we're past that.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we are back. Now, the neat thing about this kit is that each experiment was in its own plastic bag, and each experiment had its own instructions. All right, so we have 4 sets of separate instructions.
It's a good thing that you opened all these, LPS, Dave, because sometimes I have a tendency to just throw them all together. And...
So what I think we're going to do
Chaos.
now, I have experience in this particular kit, and it takes about 5 minutes.
I can handle that.
This one's instant.
I can definitely handle that.
That one takes about 60 minutes or so. We'll have to verify how long it needs to sit.
I thought it said an hour.
Okay. And this one doesn't really give you a time for sitting, but I know from experience these do take time. So let's at least accomplish these 2 on this particular video. We'll see
I
how
like the way you think.
We'll see how they go. Maybe we could set these up, and maybe I'll just show them later without you. I'm sorry.
What?
Maybe I could just call you on the phone.
That's an interesting idea.
Yeah. All right. Let's see how far we get. We'll come back. We'll go over this kit, all the pieces, show you the instructions, and we'll get started. Butch, it's time for the ball blast bouncers. Here's your instructions. Okay.
Roger.
Are you reading them?
No.
You know all the steps?
I'm just amazed that there's something called ball powder.
Yes.
You can actually, this is how they make balls. And I'm a dog.
This particular kind of ball. So you get 2 different molds. You get this one here that is the unique shape. Would you say that's a unique shape?
That is a hexagonal diagonal molecular.
Very interesting. Let me put the hexagonal diagonal there. Okay. And then the clamshell.
Clamshell.
Hey, we said it almost at the same time. Okay, so those are set. Now you get your little they even give you the little storage bag because
that?
Oh, and look, they're on little stands.
Boy, they think of everything.
I haven't seen those before. So now what I need to do is actually just pour in the powder in any arrangement I want.
Multiple colors.
Yep. You'll
Interesting.
see. I'll just kind of set them here, see if I can get them to sit. No, they don't want to sit. Well, I guess I'm going to have to just lay them down gentle like.
No spillage.
And blue. Okay.
Careful.
Blue, as careful as you could ever be.
Careful.
Orange. And greeno. Okay. So I am going to do green in this one first. Let's see if they stay without me holding.
Whoa.
Let me tap. Tap, tap, tap.
Tap, tap, tap.
Yeah, that tapping not working. Okay, a little bigger hole.
It is a little warm in the shop as well, LPS-Dave. I wonder if it's sticky.
That could be it. Okay, I'm going to do a little more green. There, that's nice. Okay. And then I'm going to take the orange and put it in the bottom of the pink one first.
Careful.
No problem, buddy. Okay, you just keep pouring it in layers. All right, and then I'm going to take the blue.
This is so interesting. I've been chasing balls my whole life. I've never seen one made.
I'm glad you're here today. So what's this? You got a food handlers meeting or something you got to go to? I don't know. You're going to be busy for the next week? Some kind of food handlers
It's a convention.
Meeting? A convention. On how to handle food?
Well, they say handle. I say eat.
Oh, never heard that before. Sounds like an interesting convention.
Oh, a bunch of good folks.
What do you do there? Are you a speaker, a guest speaker? On how to lick everybody's plates? Or explain it to me.
You know, it's really probably a little above you. If I could say that. I don't think you'd understand. It's a very, very specialized group that comes to these things.
Okay. And you think that, okay, go ahead. Yeah, tell me more about it.
Well, what they do is they have various companies come in and they say, here's how you handle food. And then I say, pass it on over, and I wolf it down.
So it's the Food Eaters Convention.
Well, there's handlers, and then they handle it for a moment, and then I eat it.
Well, it sounds like it's an exciting event. I can't come with you?
Not invited, sorry.
Really? It's invite only?
Well, you have to be part of the secret society.
Food handlers? Never heard of such a thing. Okay, so it said shake.
It was two separate unions before. It was the handlers and the eaters. I was a part of the eaters, and then we combined with the handlers. So
got it.
We're all together now.
Shake gently, which I have done, and we're all set. So I'm going to wipe the tabletop, come back, and get ready for the next step. Are you ready?
Oh, am I ready?
Mr. Food Handler.
So you're telling me this is going to end up in the shape of a ball of some kind?
Well, yeah. All right, we are set. The countertop is clean.
Yes, you did a good job with that, LPS-Dave.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you very much. All right, so this set of instructions is a little bit different than the ones I've done in the past. This one says, put the ball in, swirl, and then soak for 2 minutes.
Swirl. Cool.
Yep.
Hey, I've got my timer, so I can do the timing part of this.
Thank you. Then after 2 minutes, you take it out and let it sit, and then remove and play.
Fun.
So I will take this one here and swirl it around like this.
Let me know when I need to start my timer.
I would start it right now.
I'll be back.
Oh, I didn't know you had a special timer.
2, 159, 158, 150. You want me to do it out loud like that?
No.
What?
But we will come back in 2 minutes, take them out, and then we'll talk about it a little
Hey,
bit.
LPS-Dave, minute 48 to go.
Thanks, Butch. As I was saying, we'll be right back, and then we'll go over real quick.
139.
Okay. All right. So one more time here. I will be right back, and we'll go.
131.
Okay. Well, you might as well just stay here for a minute and a half.
You can if you want.
Yeah. Let's finish our discussion there because you were talking about.
119.
Okay. All right. So.
Can't talk right now.
All right, I'll tell you what. While he's doing that, I'm going to look at the next experiment. The
107.
Volcano Blast. Mix and stir equal amount of powder.
Does that one need a timer?
I think I'm going to do it all. I'm not going to do equal amounts. Add water. Doesn't give you any...
57.
Thanks. I'll tell you what, though. Let me move these little guys out of the way. Because I can get started here. I have some time. Move this next experiment.
43 and a half.
Thank you, sir. I have 2 powders, equal amounts. They even give you the little spoon to do equal amounts. And then a bag for all your residuals. Are you almost set, or are you ready?
T minus 26 LPS-Dave.
Okay, so this goes in here.
You let me know when you want me to start the countdown.
Well, I'm just going to get started on the next experiment. This is working out great.
What? Really?
Yeah.
Well, what, can I be part of it?
Yeah, just keep your little clock going, and then I'll get set. And then...
I like volcanoes. Can I just be a part of that?
Oh, you are. Don't worry.
Really? I don't want you to start without me, though.
I'm not. You're right here.
Are you
All right,
sure?
I'm cutting the bags open.
Wait, careful. You can do this without me? Are you
Sure, no problem.
Yeah.
Time's up.
Oh, I forgot. Oops! Sorry, LPS-Dave. We're at negative 8 seconds.
Okay, so let me get this in here. Equal parts. Ooh, I'm going to make a mess. Let me get my balls out of the water.
2 minutes is up.
I'm going to let these sit now off to the side. So set that timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes. I got it.
Wow, he is just on his game. That's off to the side. That's there.
2:57.
Equal parts. They don't really show it mixed in anything. I would prefer probably mix and stir equal amount of powder. They didn't say that. Let me get a bowl.
I'll keep the countdown, LPS-Dave. 243, 242, 241, 240, 238, 237. How do you do this every second? That's hard.
Okay, so I'm starting this over now, Butch. Equal parts.
See, I needed to be here for you, LPS-Dave.
I know.
I can't be doing 2 things at once. That's hard.
I'm trying to do 2 things at once. This has happened before. Okay, equal parts. Here we go. Mix it up.
Fancy.
I'm thinking we're going to have to do this a little bit differently. I don't know about you. Okay, now it becomes like this pinkish, powdery substance.
209 LPS-Dave.
Okay, I'm not worried about it.
I always like, you always like when I give you the 209.
We're doing great here. All right, now I'm zooming into my Eruptius volcanius.
That's the technical term.
Here we go. It says drop water on top.
Oh boy, careful.
Here we
Should
go.
I stand back?
Nah, you're fine.
Oh boy. Whoa!
I like that one.
That is cool with
That
a
is
capital ooh.
Super cool. Let me dump the rest of this on.
Whoa!
Add more water.
126.
Someone's gonna have to clean the counter.
Wow. I'll take care of that.
It's leaving little red splotches all over the Lucky Penny shop counter.
Is that edible?
I don't think this is edible, but I think here's what I want to do. We have time, right?
104.
Okay, 104. Boy, you are just so on your game. One.
Oh my goodness. Okay,
Two.
what do you do? What?
Just wait.
What?
Watch and learn, my friend. Watch and learn.
Oh my goodness. What are you doing?
1, 2, 3. All right.
44.
Here we go. I think what I'm going to do is, next time read the directions closer. Mix everything together like
Good
it said.
advice.
Yes. All right. Oh, things are flying everywhere. All right, here's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put it all over my little area here.
24 seconds, LPS-Dave.
This is going to make a total mess.
Oh boy. Housekeeping. Clean up on aisle 6.
Okay, protect surface area.
Oh,
Check.
boy.
Did not do.
Nope.
And then water everywhere. Ooh, so cool.
Whoa. 4 seconds, LPS-Dave.
What do you think of that? Let me zoom right into that.
Wow.
That's really cool, huh? Okay, so the countertop is now probably ruined.
Completely trashed, LPS-Dave.
Look at
And
this.
we are overtime
We are?
on our molds.
What do I do?
There's a lot going on.
All right, let me take these out here. Yeah, right, here we go. Look at that. Look at that, Butch.
Whoa.
It worked great. It's like a melon.
Look at
Melon. Okay, now sometimes I get to clean it off. Works great. It's a little sticky. You gotta let them sit.
Wow.
So I'll let them sit just
Does
a
that
little.
bounce?
It will. And then you put them in your bag. Here, this one here. Ooh, I love the peeling sound. And there's plenty of stuff, so you can make even more. Ooh, listen to that.
Wow, the hexadiagonal. We're gonna really cool.
Yeah, maybe try to bounce it back here. I don't know.
Well, okay, go
See?
over here.
You want to get that one? Kick it back.
Gotcha.
Ooh, thanks, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna have
That's
fun with those.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, I tell you what. We made a terrible mess.
Big time, man. I don't know that there's we involved here, LPS-Dave. I was on the timer.
Here, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. One last time, because it's just too cool to watch. 2. Okay. And then 1. And 2. Now that I'm learning the system.
Do I need the timer again?
Mix. Mix. Mix.
Protect the surface.
Yes. All right, let's just look right into this little cup here. Here we go. And you know what I'm going to do, don't you?
I'm nervous.
Here, I'll tell you what. I'll put it on the plastic bag.
Oh, that'll make a difference.
A huge difference. Here we go.
Oh, boy.
That's the coolest stuff.
Whoa. Sizzle, sizzle.
Yeah, it's like a little frying pan.
Reminds me of bacon.
That's the brightest red I think I've ever seen in a kit like this, huh?
LPS-Dave,
Yes.
that gray color is spectacular.
All right, well, I'll tell you what. We're going to clean up everybody. We'll come back, and we'll just check out those other 2 experiments.
We're going to clean this up?
You're going to clean this up.
Thank you.
All right, I decided to do the jelly wiggle bugs.
Creepy.
And not an edible jelly, by the way. These are for playing.
I was wondering about that.
So we have a worm.
And I'm here why?
What do you mean?
Well, I just like to be here for the edible bugs.
We have what looks to be a beetle, and then some kind of beetle. And then on this one, some kind of bug, and another kind of bug.
Interesting.
A fly and a spider. But I think people would say a spider's not a bug.
Spider is a arthropod.
Tasty morsel.
Sometimes.
So this says fill to 25 cc's on this. 25 cc stat. Stat. Okay, 25. All right. I'm going to have to do it right here. It's hard to see. I'll have to get way down here. And
Careful.
I'm being very careful.
I see that you put a protective
Yes.
layer on the table.
I wonder if anybody noticed. I've got my protective tabletop
After
on.
I went through the elbow grease.
Now
I
this...
used elbow grease this time. It came right off. It was great.
Really?
Do dogs have elbows?
Yes. All right, so mix in one, like, add, fill to 25 cc's with one, add full packet of powder. Mix. Pretty color. Here we go. And it's warm water. It's already starting to, it started to bind up already. I wasn't fast enough with my mixing.
You got chunks?
I did. Doesn't tell you how long to mix. So let's...
I think you just keep going.
Let's see. Let's just look into the camera. Look into the camera. It looks good. Okay, let's do all the bugs here. Is it a bug? Isn't it a bug? I don't know if I like the way that's mixed. I feel like it's on the bottom, you know?
That's not good.
No. Give it a little whisk.
That's what they should give you, a little whisk.
All right, here we go. Whatever happens now happens.
Whoa.
Fill his appendages there.
Get those legs.
Okay,
Boy, you got a
good.
steady hand.
I'll tell you what, we'll split this up. Don't speak too soon on the steady hand.
I'm trying not to move.
It's overflowing. This one here. I'm just going to go part way with him.
I think that's a dung beetle.
And then
And that's a tapeworm.
I'm going to stop there. And what should I do? A full one on the other one? I want to mix it up a little. Oh, look at that.
Nice.
I'm I need more molds. I don't have enough for the green. It looks like one might fill a whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to make the green anyway. But I see, yeah, it's like a lot of it's on the bottom.
Uh-oh. I hope that they solidify, LPS-Dave.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
You talk about bugs a second. I'm going to give this a quick wipe
Bugs?
out. Yeah.
Oh, boy, bugs. Me and bugs have a love-hate relationship, LPS-Dave. You know, they help a lot because some bugs eat the other bugs that I don't like. That's good. But some bugs try to eat me. That's not good.
What kind of bug tries to eat you?
You been out back lately? It's summertime. It's mosquito season, LPS-Dave.
Mosquito season.
I was sitting out back on one of my lawn chairs, and I swear those mosquitoes picked me up and flew away with me.
That would be fun to watch, actually.
Mm-hmm. Not so much.
Here we go. Second packet of green.
Mm-hmm.
Mix, mix, mix. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. It's like almost like a, what's the color I'm looking for?
Gray?
Yeah, it's like a gray. Turquoise. That's what I'm looking for.
Yeah, same thing. Boy, oh boy. Hey, do we have any edible gummies around the shop?
We do, actually, yeah.
This is making me hungry.
I don't know if you've been watching the videos. I've been doing a lot more kits and stuff, so.
What videos?
Yeah, okay. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
What? Why are you singing?
Oh, because I just did a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles maker set.
Yeah.
My Little Pony, My Little
What?
Pony.
What is that song?
I have a My Little Pony ice shaver I'm going to be doing.
Really?
Yeah.
When do you do
Okay,
these?
mix this one better. On the weekends when you're not around.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, because you're usually just sitting around.
That looks good. Nice blue. I want to add a little bit to the front of him. Hopefully get a half purple. Ooh, did you see that? And then I want to fill some around him.
Whoa.
Ooh, that looked cool. Okay.
Cool.
I did it. So we will let those sit for 1 hour. Are you going to be here? I don't think you're going to be here.
Am I off the clock?
Maybe I'll show everybody. All right, well, I'll tell you what. Let's set up for that last experiment.
Well, and I'm going to go get some gummy snacks.
All right.
So
good
maybe
idea.
I'll still be here if I find a lot.
All right. Last experiment, Butch. I know it's kind of sad. It's a fun set.
Every time we do science experiments, when we get to the end, I shed a little tear.
I do too.
Usually it's because of like the sulfur smell and things like that, or I rub my eyes with dirty fingers.
It could very well be. All right, so they give you instructions to put all your little paper products. These are like a soft paper, almost like a light paper. And it looks like this one goes in the middle. This one goes here. Get them in there. And this is the back side that goes there.
Of the tree.
Yes. And then,
It's a tree, right?
Oh, look, there's little triangles here.
Wait a It's not a tree.
I'll just take them out. It looks like they pop out, maybe to help with the water, huh?
Oh.
I'll leave one in. And then I put this in here.
Ooh,
Now they're all lined up. I think we're pretty good. Just move this here.
Not a tree.
Oh, it's a dinosaur.
Oh.
Okay, then, once you have your dinosaur in his little habitat, it says fill up all the cavities with crystal liquid. Okay, mix that up. Okay, here we go. Crystal
At least
liquid.
this guy is a plant eater, it looks like. He will not be much harm to us.
He's a
Careful.
carnivore, right? Carnivore?
Carnivore.
Let me do this big section first.
We're going to get in trouble for that one, you know.
Why?
Why don't you leave in the comments what a dinosaur that eats plants only is?
He's a butchosaur, that's for sure.
Wrong.
A dog that eats everything.
Yes, that's a butchosaur.
Okay, almost got it all in there. All right.
Now we just sit and watch it grow.
Okay, so we'll let the camera run for about 4 hours.
4 days.
Yeah. And then actually we'll come back. We'll have all of our experiments already started to do something here. So maybe when we get all set up, it'll be a little bit different.
Fun.
We'll be right back. Don't play with the ball, Butch.
I can't resist.
We got to finish up the video here.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so what was your favorite, Butch? The ball, the volcano, the squiggly googly woogly oogly bugs, or dinosaur boy here?
Well, I have to tell you something, LPS-Dave.
Yes. Go ahead.
While the dinosaur and the bugs are very impressive, the combination of the ball and the volcano, 1 and 2 for me.
Really?
That volcano, when it started sizzling, boy, did I get hungry.
Very cool.
What about you?
I have to say I've done this a few times. It's fun, enjoyable. I've done these kinds of kits before. I've done this before. I've never seen an erupting volcano with the red and how cool that fizzed. It was almost like a little frying pan going on. Huh?
Agreed.
So that's my favorite. But what about everybody out there? What do you think? What was your favorite? I'll tell you what, Butch, I know you're not going to be here. I'll have to take these out maybe at some point and maybe snap a quick picture for everybody and add that to the end of the video. Huh?
Well, that would be cool. Then we can see what it looks like.
And thanks for watching, everybody. Now, we've done a bunch of these kinds of science kits. We'll have a link in the description to a playlist. As always, you can just search Lucky Penny Shop. And thanks for watching. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Whoa. Did you kick that?
I can't resist. I can't resist, LPS-Dave. Can you throw it for me?
Sure.
Oh, good.
Are you ready?
Go.
I'm going to whip it across the room.
Go get it! I got it! I got it! Where?
Well, here I am checking back in the following day all alone, but I wanted to show you what it looked like after it sat for a full day. Pretty cool. He's very fluffy, so that's my dinosaur. His plant fell over there. But you get a good idea now how this works. Now I'll just pull a piece off and show you how soft this really is. Watch this. Just falls off. See? So it's not really connected much. And then this is, I don't know, looks like little strands. See that? I don't know. Let me put it down here. I'll show you here instead of there. But I wanted to at least check back in and show you how cool that one came out. So, I don't know. That's a pretty cool experiment, too. You just have to wait for it to transform. And then the other experiment, my Jiggly Bugs. That one came out great, too. But I didn't take them out of the molds soon enough. So they are stuck in my molds. And I'll show you one that I tried to peel out. See, the worm is now almost completely stuck in there. So it is jiggly. You just got to make sure you take it out sooner than I did. But it's squishly jiggly bugs. So that came out good. And the second day on the balls, I have them here. Bouncy. Still bouncy. Ooh. I was afraid that might happen. Move this out of the way. So overall, I would say pretty fun experiments. See? So I've been keeping them in the bag that they supplied. And that keeps them nice and soft and bouncy. So there you go. That was all the experiments. I just wanted to recap. Yeah, I can bring them in one more time. I have them all off to the side. They just sat like this all night. And that's why my bugs stuck. So next time I will take them out much sooner. What a cool set. And again, thanks for watching. It's really appreciated. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.
thanks for watching.